Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the job sequencing problem. This is a classic optimization problem that is solved using the greedy strategy. Our main goal here is to understand how to maximize profits when scheduling tasks. First, let us define the problem clearly. You are given a set of n jobs. For every job, there is a specific deadline and a profit associated with it. The profit is earned only if the job is completed on or before its deadline. An important constraint is that each job takes exactly 1 unit of time to complete. So, the objective is to select and schedule a subset of these jobs to maximize the total profit. Now, why do we use a greedy approach for this? The intuition is quite simple. If you want to make the most money, you should naturally prioritize the jobs that pay the most. The strategy is to look at the highest paying jobs first and try to fit them into the schedule. Specifically, we sort all jobs by profit from highest to lowest, and then try to place each job in the latest possible time slot available. Let's look at a concrete example. Here we have 5 jobs, labeled A through E. Job A offers $100 and must be done by time unit 2. Job C offers $27 with the same deadline. Job E offers $15 but has a longer deadline of 3. Our goal is to pick the best combination. Note that the maximum deadline here is 3, which means we have at most 3 time slots available to fill. The first step of our algorithm is crucial. We must sort all the jobs based on their profit in descending order. As you can see, Job A is at the top with $100, followed by C, D, B, and finally E. This order dictates the sequence in which we will attempt to schedule them. Next, we prepare our timeline. Since the maximum deadline among all jobs is 3, we create an array of size 3. These represent the time slots from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Initially, all these slots are empty. We will try to fill these slots starting with our most profitable jobs. Now we start processing. First is Job A with a profit of 100 and deadline 2. We prefer to do it as late as possible, so we check slot 2. It is empty, so we assign Job A there. Next is Job C, profit 27, deadline 2. We check slot 2, but it is already taken by Job A, so we look for an earlier slot. Slot 1 is free, so we assign Job C to slot 1. Moving on to Job D with profit 25 and deadline 1. We check slot 1, but it is full. There are no earlier slots, so we must reject Job D. Same for Job B with deadline 1. Slot 1 is occupied, so it is rejected. Finally, Job E has deadline 3. Slot 3 is free, so we place it there. Our final schedule gives us a total profit of $142. Here is the logic in pseudocode. We define a function that takes the jobs and the maximum deadline. First, we sort the jobs. Then we initialize our slots array. We loop through each job, and for every job, we check time slots backwards starting from its deadline down to 1. If we find an empty slot, we book it, add the profit, and move to the next job. Let's talk about efficiency. The time complexity of this approach is generally big O of n squared in the worst case, because for each job, we might scan the entire slots array. However, this can be optimized to n log n using a disjoint set union data structure to find open slots faster. The space complexity is proportional to the maximum deadline. To summarize, the job sequencing problem is solved effectively using a greedy strategy by prioritizing high-profit jobs. The key trick is to schedule jobs as late as possible within their deadline to save earlier time slots for jobs with tighter deadlines. This method is widely used in resource allocation and task scheduling scenarios.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.